Morning, dear children. Today we are going to begin lesson 4 in our moral science book, and name of the lesson is Seed to Succeed. This lesson teaches us try and try again, you will succeed at last. This also teaches us the value of honesty. No legacy is so rich as honesty. It takes strength and courage to admit the truth. Honest people don't hide their deeds. Honesty is the foundation stone of a character. If one is found lacking in honesty, he will be found lacking in character as well. Now we will begin the story. A successful businessman was growing old and knew it was time to choose a successor to take over his business. Instead of choosing one of his children, he decided to do something different. Means he decided not to choose his children as CEO. CEO means Chief Executive Officer. He called all the young executives of the office and said, "It is time for me to step down and choose the next CEO. I have decided to choose one of you. I am going to give each one of you a seed today. I want you to grow the seed and come back here after 1 year from today with what you have grown from the seed. I will then judge the plants that you bring, and then I will choose the next CEO." So he wants to retire from his post and wants to elect a new CEO, and for this he thought of a plan. He gave them a seed to grow and told them that after 1 year you will bring your seed to me, then I will judge the plants and will decide who will be the next CEO. One man named John received seed. He went home and excitedly told his wife the story. She helped him get a pot, soil, and compost, and he planted the seed. Every day he would water it and watch to see if it had grown. After about 3 weeks, some of the other executives began to talk what they were beginning to grow. John kept checking his seed, but nothing ever grew. Weeks after weeks went by, still nothing. By now, others were talking about their plants, so John felt like a failure. So, 3 months passed by, and the other executives, they were talking about their plants, but John was thinking that he was unable to grow any seed, and he felt like a failure. 6 months went by, still nothing grew in John's pot. He just knew he had killed his seed, but he did not say anything to his colleagues. However, he just kept watering and fertilizing the soil. He just wanted the seed to grow. Means he kept watering the plants and looking after the plants, and he wanted the seed to grow. A year finally went by. So this way 1 year passed by, and all the young executives of company brought their plant to the CEO for inspection. John told his wife that he was not going to take an empty pot, but she asked him to be honest about what happened. John felt sick to his stomach. It was going to be the most embarrassing moment of his life, but he knew his wife was right. He took his empty pot to the boardroom. When John arrived, he was amazed at a variety of plants grown by the other executives. What did he saw while he reached the office? That there were a variety of plants which the other executives had brought. They were beautiful in shapes and sizes. John displayed his empty pot, and many of his colleagues laughed. A few of them felt sorry. When the CEO arrived, he surveyed the room and greeted his young executives. John just tried to hide in the back. My gosh, what great plants and flowers you have grown, said the CEO. Today, one of you will be appointed the next CEO. All of a sudden, the CEO reached John's back. John was panicked. He thought the CEO knows I am a failure. John thought that he was unable to grow a seed. That's why he was scared of the boss. Maybe he will have me fired. CEO asked him what had happened to his seed. John told him the story. The CEO asked everyone to sit down except John. He looked at John and then announced, "Behold your next chief executive officer. His name is John." Now he announced the name of the next CEO, that your next CEO is John. John could not believe it. He could not even grow a seed. How could he be the new CEO? The others protested. Then the CEO said, "1 year ago, I gave everyone a seed to grow. But I gave you all boiled seeds." They were already dead. All of you except John have brought me substituted plants and flowers. Either you brought it or you replaced the seed. John was the only one with the courage and honesty to bring me a pot with my seed in it. Means the boss wanted to say that you all have cheated. You have brought your own flowers and plants, and this is not that from that seed which he had given to them. Therefore, he is the only one who will be the new chief executive officer. So, children, what did you learn from the story? Yes, honesty always is rewarded. Honesty is not just about telling the truth. It's about being real with yourself and others, about who you are, what you want, and what you need to live your most authentic life. Honesty promotes openness, empowers us, and enables us to develop consistency in how we present the facts. So, in this lesson also, John does not compromise with his values. More important than winning a reward is being a good human being. So, I hope you all will also try to be honest in your dealings. Thank you.